One of my short videos related to MrBeast got more than 3 million views in 2 months. In this video, I want to tell you the tips that will make your video get more than 1 million views. If you have seen this video of mine, I had started a channel with the topic of memes, which attracted only 100 subscribers in a month. And that channel failed. After uploading more than 300 short videos, I realized these 5 points and I want to fully explain these 5 points in this video. Number 1. Trend topic is the most important thing that you should know before starting the channel. Get help from vidIQ for this. If the topic you choose, its search volume was higher than 1 or 2 million, that topic is a good option to start. For YouTube Shorts, don't pay attention to the level of competition at all, because in order to get higher views, you have to compete with big channels. For example, the topic that I choose for the video has more than 20 million monthly views, and this is a great topic to start with. Now, on the screen, I have put 10 of the best topics for starting a short YouTube channel. All these topics have a very high search rate, and each of these topics has the potential to get more than 1 million views. Another way you can find trending topics is to go into the short section of your YouTube and separate the videos that have the highest views. Choose the 20 viral videos that have chosen and then choose the topic that is seen the most among these 20 videos. And another method is that if you have a special skill, search for this skill in vidIQ. If the search rate is high, put your priority on this topic, because if you make a video in a subject that you are good at, you will not get tired of this work and you will be more interested in making short videos. Number 2. You must explain the video script in the best way. In order to have a good script, you need to go quickly to the important point of the video, because statistics show that in 2023, the average amount of people's attention in the virtual space is 8 seconds, and the further we go, the less this amount will be. So you must have a very good hook for your video to attract the audience towards you. Try to write your script in the shortest and most concise way possible, and know that the shorter the time of your video, the better for you. Number 3. Make your video into a loop. You should edit the video so that the end of the video sticks to the beginning of the video and the audience doesn't realize that your video is repeating. And in this case, each audience will watch your video at least 2 times. And in this case, it will cause the average percenting view you pass 100%. Watch this video to fully understand what I am saying.
5 views. So that's what happened when I watched my own YouTube video.
One of the important secrets of short video is that the audience will see your video several times, and with this trick you can do this important task. Number 4. Learn how to edit short videos. Short videos editing is very different from regular video editing. In short videos you have less opportunity to attract the audience, and you should use it in the best way. What is important to know is that you should have your title and thumbnail ready before you start editing. This is what professionals do, and when they know their title and thumbnail, they make the best hook for the video. And the result of these 3 things will make your short video viral. Every 2 or 3 seconds, you should make a change in the video to keep the audience on your video. These changes can be zoom in and zoom out. It can be a change of background. It can be sound effect or anything else that you think will help the progress of the video. Subtitles can also be very effective in the growth of your video. Imagine that you are in the subway and you want to watch a video. In this case, you cannot hear the sound of the video well, and through subtitles you can easily watch the video and fully understand it. But if there was no subtitle, you had to skip the video. Attractive voiceover can have a great effect on the virality of your video. Especially in the intro video, try to show your excitement in voiceover to draw the audience towards you. The best example for this is MrBeast. In both short and long videos, MrBeast has the best intros, and you can get ideas from MrBeast as a model. Number 5. Try out your short video. After you have made your short video, be sure to show this video to your family members or friends and ask them to tell you their opinion about this short video. You should make a short video that both you and others will enjoy watching that video. In fact, you should put yourself in the audience's place and look at your video from the perspective of an audience. One very important thing that is important in making short videos is that you should not be disappointed in making short videos, because there is a very high competition in this field. You may get tired of this work in the middle of the road, and you can reach millions of statistics on YouTube Shorts with many repetitions. Even you can put a lot of short videos in the channel where you post long videos to make a lot of audience come to your channel. And now you can draw this audience to your long videos, and in this way your views increase. I have created a short YouTube channel, and I have been active in this channel for 30 days, and I have reached an unexpected result. I put the result of this channel in this video. Be sure to watch watch this video before you subscribe to the YouTube channel.